Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to get cash using an Affirm Virtual Card and how this process actually works. Before starting, it is important to understand one key point. You cannot withdraw cash directly from an ATM using an Affirm Virtual Card. The card is made for purchases only, not cash withdrawals. First, open the Affirm app on your phone and sign into your account. Once logged in, go to the section that shows your virtual card. If you are approved, Affirm will generate a temporary virtual Visa card. The first option is to buy a product from Amazon. Go to Amazon and add any item you want to your cart. During checkout, select Affirm as the payment method and complete the purchase. Once the item is delivered, you can resell that product for cash. You can sell it locally or through online marketplaces. The second option is to purchase an item from a store that allows cash refunds for returns. Before buying anything, check the store's return policy. Some stores offer cash refunds even if you paid using a card. After purchasing the item, return it within the allowed time and ask for a cash refund. Thanks for watching.